Assalamualaikum, halo teman-teman. Ketemu lagi bareng Syakil. Kali ini Syakil mau jalan-jalan ke Waikambang, Batang bareng keluarga tata usaha SMK Satya Praja 2 Petarukan. Ikutin terus perjalanan Syakil ya. Ayo.
Call me Cuban Pete, I'm the king of the rumba beat. When I play the maracas, I go chick chicky boom, chick chicky boom. Yes sir, I'm Cuban Pete, I'm the craze of my native street. When I start to dance, everything goes chick chicky boom, chick chicky boom. The senoritas they sing and how they swing with that altero. It's very nice, so full of spice. And when the dancing they bring a happy ring that a quero. Singing a song all the day long. So if you like the beat, take a lesson from Cuban Pete, and that'll teach you to chick chicky boom, chick chicky boom, chick chicky boom.
Wow, I feel good. I knew that I wouldn't. I feel good. I knew that I wouldn't. So good, so good. I got you. Wow, I feel nice. A sugar and spice. I feel nice. A sugar and spice. So nice, so nice. I got you. When I hold you in my arms, I know that I can't do no wrong. And when I hold you in my arms, my love won't do you no harm. And I feel nice, that sugar and spice. I feel nice, like sugar and spice.